Here's how to get snow yams in Stardew Valley, only available during winter. There are two methods and they have very different success rates, so it is worth knowing both. The first method is tilling soil outside your farm using your hoe. Any tillable ground around town, in the cindersap forest, or other outdoor areas has a 4% chance to yield a snow yam per tile. This method does not work inside your farm, only external soil applies. The second and better method is digging up artifact spots, the small wriggling worm-like markers that appear on the ground. Each one gives you an 11 to 16% chance of getting a snow yam, depending on the location. This is 3 to 4 times more effective than random soil tilling and also works inside your barn boundaries, making it significantly more efficient. Focus on artifact spots first whenever you see them, then supplement with soil tilling as you move around the map. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.